Alrighty guys, here with my ZX4RR. Got to do an oil change on this bad boy. We're sitting at 19,316 miles, so it's time to do an oil change. The last one's 13,000 miles, so we're right about 6,000 miles over, so a good time to do an oil change. It's been sitting in the shop the last few months, or a month or so. Honestly, I've been going back and forth to the shop because I still continually have a leaky head gasket cover or oil gasket cover. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's like all this nicety right there that is all over my side of my motor, and I don't like it. But outside of that, I got my dirty chain I need to clean too. That'll be another video. But here we are, about to take this off and then start doing an oil change. Stay tuned. Where's my bit heads? So for the ZX4RR, you have a bolt right here, as well as you have a little pin down here, and then you have one right in here, and then you have this little piece of plastic that sits up on the inside of the fairing. It has these little pinholes, so you just remove those. You can do that with a flathead screwdriver or a knife. But then from here, what we'll do is we have to come over and take this guy off. So I got my Allen key set, and we're gonna go ahead and find one that fits it. I'm gonna say that's like a 732. Could be wrong. Let's see how it goes. We shall see. Does it fit? Too big. That is what she said. Nah, I'm playing. It's definitely not what she said. All right, we got that guy coming undone now. Oop. So that guy's digging off. Now, oh, that fairing should just come off like that. Now, that we got that fairing kind of sat over here to the side, we can take a look underneath and down there. Right up here. Oh, I hate it here. I put sealer on my head gasket. All right. Well, anyway, so do that. Now we're gonna take that out. So this is your oil drain plug right here. Take this bolt out. We'll start draining the oil. Take off the oil filter, let that drain, and then we'll be putting in the new oil. We'll just kind of leave that guy right there. A makeshift tripod. Oh, a sprizzle on my face. I did not like that, guys. That was not fun. Splashed up and got me in the face. God, I can't. All right, now I gotta get my socket. Alrighty, guys. So this one right here, I believe it's a 14 millimeter. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. I think so. I'm wrong. Oops. Time to come back. I believe I was incorrect. No way I was incorrect twice. Well, crap. It's 16 for sure. I'm missing that 16. I don't know what that one is. It's hot out here today, boys. It is hot. Very hot. Bruh. Oh my God, is it a 17? Guys, I thought it was a 14, thought it was a 15, thought it was 16. Now it's, I think it's 17. Blah. Back to it. All right, we're golden. Oh, that's definitely too tight. There we go, we got her. Turn the key off, I can hear that fucking priming the whole time. All right, we got that undone. Let's see if I'm a goofball and drop this in the oil. Oh crap, I'm missing that. Oh, that looks nasty. I don't think I've ever seen my oil that grayish color. I'm a little concerned. It's kind of concerning. Slightly concerning. Ever so slightly. Now we just take a rag. Gosh, dang it, I can't grab that thing at all. God, that's on there, shall we say. That's fucking on there. Oh, God damn it. Every weekend. We're just putting the little bolt back in over here. This bottom bolt threads in. So this guy, got a amount of torque on him. Not too much. That's done. Oh, there's no fucking way you're getting a bite on that thing. There's no fucking way. All right, screwdriver. All right. So just to keep you guys up to date on what happened. I couldn't get it off my bare hands. I got oil on it. And so what I did is I just took a screwdriver through it. This is a multi-tool that we had from a weight set in the garage. So then I just did this, and then I just continued to get it there. Even if I take this guy and push it over. There we go. So we're getting it. It's moving. It's coming along. There we go. Now I can remove that, and we can just fucking start twisting this bad boy off. All right, oil filter off. Let's go. I need my rag though. Alrighty, we got our filters and our oil. All right, so before we put oil in it, you got to put the old oil or the new oil filter on. They are just about the same. Got our seal in here. Take some of that oil, just kind of rub it on the seal, give it a good seal. All right, and then we take it and we screw them on. Again, just rubbing some more oil on the seal. All right, new oil filter is installed. This real quick. All righty, so now we go to the other side where we will be putting the oil in the bike right there. All right, there's one. So I got one down, 2.7 liters. And this is all from K's Motorsports in Humble, Texas. You need your oil for Kawasaki or Honda, or no, sorry, we do Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Yamaha. So if you need any one of those three, they got you guys covered. There's number 2. All right, last one. Start dumping. Oh shit, I spilled some. Well, I made a mess, guys. Oh well, my bad. But 2.7 in there. That's good to go. Put this guy in there. Now, if you can tell, if you look at the sight glass, there's a black with the clear. So now what we'll do, so go ahead. Now we just gotta put on the fairing. Let it move that around a little bit. And see it'll come start to settle back down in a much darker color just because of the residue oil left inside. But we got fresh oil in there, she's good to go. Now time to put this fairing back on, and then we should be golden. All right. Oh crap, put the oil. That's not what I wanted to do. All right. I'm missing a bolt there. Bro, I'm missing multiple bolts. I don't like it. Put your little bolt. This bolt will be going right here through this hole to there. There we go. Got that little bolt in it, and now we just put all these little back tabs in back where they were. Makes life easy. So the last step is just replacing the fairing, literally how you took it off. All right, good job.